Hey! Welcome to Howza Channel. In today's video, we will show you how to insert a watermark in Excel 2019. Open the Excel file you need. Go to the Insert tab and select WordArt at the end of the menu bar. Choose the style you like. Enter your watermark text. Select it to adjust the size. Right-click on it and choose Format Text Effects. Click on the bold A icon. Select Text to Fill. Check Solid Fill. Set Transparency to 100%. Click on the text outline. Check Solid Line. Set Transparency to 46%. Close the Text Effects window. Place your watermark where you want it to be. Rotate or resize if needed. Go to File and select Print to preview how it will look on paper. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!